teenagers. Teens will inspire other teens to stand out from the world.
Establish our own convictions.
And choose for ourselves who we're going to worship.
As for me, I will worship at the teen conference.
But as for me, I want to build strong relationships.
But as for me, I will grow closer to God.
But as for me, I will build more convictions.
But as for me, I will meet more teens that want to be close to God.
But as for you.
But as for you. But as for you.
But as for you.